How to turn on autoplay on YouTube app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, select the video you are playing, and then at the bottom of the video, you'll find a button which is autoplay. Simply click on the button to turn on autoplay. Make sure the circle is on the right side, and if it's in the right side, you'll find a triangle option in between the circle, and you'll find autoplay is on at the top as well. And after you do this, autoplay is on, and it will skip to next after this video finishes, and it will autoplay. And this is how to turn on autoplay on YouTube. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.